Hello friends, now I am going to start about Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. See, first you understand the basic meaning of the name of the scheme. Gram Jyoti means the light. Gram Jyoti means light in the village. So this program is mainly for bring electric supply in village for whole day, right? So this plan is an effort to supply electricity in a rural area. Rural area means village without any hiding support of hiding or breaking up supply of electricity. So here you can say supply of electricity 24 by 7, 24 by 7, day and night, whole days, whole nights, without any hurdle in power supply is necessary in home as well as in farm. But electric supply is needed to be provided at concessional rate. Means every electricity company has a right to earn the profit, but that profit could not be reason to destroy the life of any farmer or the person. So the concessional rate, and in that situation the support price help from the government will given to those power supply companies. Lay down new lines. Lay down means launch or install new lines for power supply in village area. And in India, up to 2018-19, more 18,000 villages which were remained from being non-benefited of power supply, right? So in that situation sometime we can ask that any help government were giving to the people. The answer is yes. The government was helping to the farmers in purchase equipments for the agriculture, also give power supply at the concessional rate as I told earlier, and the help of the government's support price in their products were also available. The subsidy means help, financial help of the government was also available for them, and poor farmers may get supply of enough fertilizer and so many things time to time. So here not only concentration of power supply, but concentration of provide necessities to the farmers at large scale. Right, my friends? Okay. Next one is subsidy under scheme named Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana for all around, means complete development of Adivasis, means tribal peoples. So the short word is Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana. If the direct may ask, then you reply for the same. Okay. Adivasi women were getting help of training and guidance for cattle rearing. Livestock rearing is a word is used in the book, but here I am changing the word as cattle rearing under comprehensive dairy development employment scheme. See, for the farmers and the villagers, collect the milk is the work of the women, as known. So the dairy development employment scheme was necessary under the Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana for development of creeper crops in agriculture and plantation, for constructing pandals, means larger area was covered under one cloth. Thereafter organic farming, thereafter grading and packaging of farm product, as well as summers hostels, means equal hostels for the all classes, smart ashrams where the almost the facilities available which the people are needed. So here you remember one thing, that this was not only for upliftment of the villages but upliftment of all tribal people. Right, my friends? Here I discussed about the second topic in continuation for Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana. Now I am explaining about encouragement to organic farming. Okay. If the organic farming continues, the farm product may come in market will available with lacking of chemicals and purity of natural elements. So the organic farming is given more importance these days. We all knows this about it. So helping farmers for registration for getting help in organic farming, paying fees and help for purchasing farm products. Thereafter, arrangement of the training and education will given to the farmers, as well as finance at low rate to the farmers. See, means every farmer will get help, nothing else I want to say. Thereafter, arrange the proper market setup for the farmers to sell their product and better price. So, this project was concentrating on environment protection, reduction in expenditure, increasing income. So, the basic perspective of the program was to create situation in better way for the poor farmers. Right, my friends? Now I am continuing the sixth point. It is Chief Minister Village Road Scheme. See, the word is explaining its meaning. Village Road Scheme means the scheme was established or started for construction of main road near the village, connect with the road coming inside of village to the outside up to the main road. So this scheme was concentrating on development of transportation for connecting village to the main centers. Right? So in that situation, the Chief Minister Village Road Scheme was helping for construction of roads near the village. Sometimes village panchayats were getting help of the government for connecting villages by the roads. and connect highways by national programs. So what is necessity on the roads, as like the bus stop, as like the toilets, as like the rest place, everything should be taken in consideration when develop the roads, right my friends? Okay, next one is coming Ma Annapurna Yojana. Which word I said? Ma Annapurna Yojana means the program was provide food to the people, right my friends? So you understand one thing, this program was mainly concentrate on provide food to the people as much as low rate of product. People living under below poverty line will get every month 35 kg food grains under this program. See, 35 kg was not per month for one person but for whole family, and family means 5 members family I am saying, right? Okay. Also with that, every month given salt, given sugar, and in year 2 kg of the oil, edible oil, was also included in this scheme. Generally, you can say why this program was started, but I want to say one thing, that the program was started to provide food at lowest rate. Lowest rate means 2 rupees for rice and 2 rupees for wheat and 3 rupees for rice. So you understand, this is not a general price which we are paying in kirana shops, but this is the price in fair price shop taken from the poor family coming from below poverty line families. So also with that, in India today I could say that more than 3.82 crore fair price shop are working in this work to provide the food as much as low rate. So the benefit of the food security was also possible under this program. Okay, because of this program you can say one thing, that what is the objective of the program? The answer is bring the smile on the face of the poor people by saving their money from purchasing food product as much as low price, right my friends? So we have discussed the topic up to this portion today. Okay,